Welcome back to our channel, dear viewers. Today we have an exciting lineup of 5 easy, healthy recipes that are guaranteed to boost your energy levels and keep you feeling fantastic. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Berry Bliss. First up, we have the energizing breakfast bowl, Berry Bliss. Packed with antioxidants from a mix of vibrant berries, protein-rich Greek yogurt, and the crunch of assorted nuts, this bowl is a morning delight that will have you raring to go. Number 2. Power-packed avocado toast. Next on our list is the power-packed avocado toast. Creamy avocado spread over whole grain toast, topped with nutrient-loaded ingredients like chia seeds, radish slices, and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast. This toast is a powerhouse of goodness that's perfect for a quick and satisfying snack. Recipe 3. Zesty Quinoa Salad. Moving along, we have the Zesty Quinoa Salad. Bursting with vibrant veggies, protein-packed quinoa, and a tangy citrus dressing, this salad is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a fantastic way to refuel during lunchtime. Recipe 4. High-energy chickpea wraps. Are you ready for Recipe 4? Presenting the high-energy chickpea wraps. These wraps are stuffed with hearty chickpeas, crunchy veggies, and a dollop of creamy hummus, all wrapped in a whole-grain tortilla. They're the perfect on-the-go option to keep you energized throughout the day. Recipe 5. Superfood Stir Fry. And last but not least, we have the Superfood Stir Fry. This colorful medley of vegetables, tofu, and quinoa comes together in a tantalizing stir-fry that's not only loaded with nutrients but also bursts with flavor. It's a delightful dinner option to wrap up your day on a high note. There you have it, guys. 5 incredible, easy, healthy recipes that are sure to boost your energy levels and leave you feeling invigorated. Remember, a well-nourished body is a happy body. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our tasty content. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy cooking.